Emil, and hi everyone. I can tell you I'm very excited about our 2021 Q4 Summit on October 7, considering that the previous summit in April was very successful with thousands of attendees worldwide. I think I'm beginning to like this virtual world, Emil. People sit in the comfort of their home or office and watch fascinating presentations. So tell me, Emil, the April summit covered so many topics. What are you going to talk about in this summit?
I will tell you the agenda soon. First, I would like to talk shortly about a few subjects. Let's see again the SolidCAM product. It's a complete integrated CAM solution inside SolidWorks and obviously also inside Inventor. Looking at the center of the circle, we see our 2.5-axis milling module that has been developing for the last 30 years. It's a very powerful module, augmented by our automatic feature recognition and machining module. If you see on the left, you will see our 3D milling modules. First, HSR for roughing, HSM for finishing, and HSS for surface finishing. And we have added recently also our Turbo HSM and Turbo HSR. Looking at the top, you see our very important two modules for iMachining 2D for prismatic parts, and iMachining 3D for complex surfaces, and also for prismatic parts. To the right, you will see our 5-axis simultaneous module, very high functionality. Then we have our turning, our advanced mill turn, and our Swiss type. The last two are becoming our trademark since we are much better than any other product in the world today. And we have also the solid probe module for controlling the probes. So SolidCAM is the one CAM solution for all your CNC machines. It covers 2.5D, 3D, 4-axis indexial, 5-axis indexial, simultaneous 5-axis, and obviously also advanced mill turn and Swiss. As you see, as you go to more and more complex CNC machines, we provide the highest customer value. So our integrations in SolidWorks actually is very important because SolidWorks now is the leading CAD product in the world. And in the machining world, a lot of machine shops have already SolidWorks. They use it for designing jigs and pictures of some model changes. So we are seamlessly integrated in SolidWorks. So if somebody works with SolidWorks, you can easily learn SolidCAM. There's only two products that are seamlessly integrated in SolidWorks, and they don't have their own CAD. To work with SolidCAM, you need to have either SolidWorks already, or you buy from us the bundle including SolidWorks and SolidCAM. If we look at the third and fourth row, we have Hypermill and Mastercam. These two products, they say they have both. They have both a version with own CAD system and a version integrated in SolidWorks. But actually, the problem is, since they put most of their R&D emphasis on developing the version with their own CAD system, the SolidWorks integration gets neglected, and in the end has less functionality than the full version with their own CAD, and also less stable. So even though Mastercam salespeople sometimes show the simultaneous in SolidWorks, they then concentrate only on showing the version with their own CAD system. And when they sell the product, they convince the customer to work with the version with their own CAD system. Really, we have yet to find any customer happy with Mastercam integration in SolidWorks. If you look at the last three rows, these are the products: Esprit, Top Solid, and Siemens NX CAM. And these three products have their own CAD system with no relation to SolidWorks. Now let's look at the SolidCAM company profile. We have been 37 years expertise in CAM development and application with 230 staff. We have 2 offices in our headquarters. Our European headquarters in Germany has 7 offices, and we have a great international support team in Serbia to support all our resellers worldwide. We have affiliated companies, SolidCAM UK, SolidCAM France, SolidCAM Czech Republic, and SolidCAM Italy. We have a branch in the US, an important branch. In Asia Pacific, we have SolidCAM India, SolidCAM Japan, SolidCAM China, and affiliated companies, SolidCAM Australia, New Zealand, SolidCAM Singapore, and SolidCAM Taiwan. In addition to all these branches and affiliates, we have a worldwide CAM distributor network of 65 major resellers. So today, worldwide, we have 22,000 industrial seats of SolidCAM and 55,000 educational seats. Here you see examples of our SolidCAM international customers. We have customers in aerospace, customers like Rafael or Dornier. We have customers in automotive like Volkswagen, Daimler Chrysler, Honda, Kia, Hyundai. We have customers in machine design, electronics, medical. For example, in the center, you see Boston Scientific. This is a major company that makes medical equipment. They use SolidWorks all throughout their organization, and they have 23 seats of SolidCAM. Another important fact, they were the first SolidCAM customer in the US. We support also optics, military, consumer, energy, production shops, obviously, mold, tool, and die, prototyping, and also technical education. So you could say SolidCAM customers include today both small and medium job shops, medium-sized engineering and manufacturing companies, and large aerospace and automotive companies.
Nice. Everybody knows that the amazing iMachining 2D, 3D technology has taken the machining world by storm. No other CAM system has anything that closely resembles it. It's incredible how it drastically reduces cutting cycle times and increases tool life. So tell me, what is so innovative about our great iMachining technology? All our competitors are claiming that they have similar technologies. What is unique about iMachining?
Well, the truth is, everything is unique about iMachining. First of all, we are the only technology of its type that has both iMachining 2D for prismatic parts and iMachining 3D for complex surface parts and also for prismatic parts. So now, let's really look at a close comparison of iMachining against its competitors. You see on the right, first, VoluMill. This is a module that is integrated in many CAM systems today, like in Hypermill, Cimatron, GipsCAM, and many others. We have dynamic mill of Mastercam. We have adaptive roughing of NXCAM. We have profit milling of Esprit and true mill of SurfCAM. OK, let's look now deeply and try to see why iMachining is so unique. First of all, you see in the first column regarding patent, we have several patents for iMachining 2D and 3D. No other one has patents except true mill of SurfCAM, and you know what's the situation of SurfCAM today. Next, we go to our main technological approach. This is a major, major advantage of iMachining. We guarantee constant cutting force on the tool all along the tool path and also constant spindle load. Actually, if you look at the spindle load of the CNC machine while cutting with iMachining, you'll see always a constant like 17, 18% load on the spindle. Our competitors have much inferior technological approach, either constant step over or constant engagement angle. Next, we see that iMachining has, the only one has variable cutting angle all along the tool path. All the competitors don't have it. Also, our iMachining have variable feed adjustment all along the tool path to maintain the constant force on the cutting tool. Next, the column before the last, morphed spirals are the most optimal tool path in terms of speed. And iMachining has maximum morphed spirals. The other technologies have some morphed spirals, but iMachining is the only one with maximum morphed spirals and some toroidal tool path. Next, we look at the last column, thin wall handling. This is a very important point. Many times when you are machining a piece, you get a thin wall. And if you take it in the wrong way, you could ruin the part. iMachining has special handling for thin walls that will not cause any damage to the part. let's see more of our advantages. Now we have come to the greatest advantage of iMachining, our technology wizard. You see, because our toolpath can keep constant force on the cutting tool, the technology wizard is able to automatically calculate optimal feeds and speeds for every point of the toolpath, keeping again the constant force on the tool, and it can do it for all types of materials we cut, different cutting tool types, and for different CNC machine parameters. None of our competitors that you see, volume mill, dynamic mill, adaptive wrapping, profit milling, tool mill, have any wizard that approaches our wizard. And if somebody tells you we have the same technology like iMachining, ask them, show us your wizard. So as a result of all the advantages I mentioned till now, iMachining has the best, shortest cycle time. We had made a lot of benchmarks competing against volume mill, against dynamic mill of Mastercam, against adaptive wrapping of NXCAM, against profit milling of Esprit, and we always had the shortest cycle time by a big amount. The next column, the one before the last, complete process. iMachining is the only such technology that gives a complete process, roughing, rest roughing, and finishing for 2.5D prismatic parts. And the combination of all the advantages I talked about till now guarantees first part success, which is very important for CNC machinists.
You know, since SolidCAM 2021 was released, all our customers want to update to this latest version. Can you tell me some of its highlights? Can you share with us?
Yes, SolidCAM 2021 is our latest and greatest version. We have worked on it for many years, and it has a lot of new functionality. For example, we have a completely new toolkit that supports complex tool assemblies and also multi-body holders. You see here in the picture an example of such complex tool assembly. And this is important for mill turn and Swiss type machines. Also, we have a completely new simulator that took many years to develop, and it has amazing graphics and presentation. You see here some pictures from our new simulator. Here we see a picture of the new simulator for a Swiss type machine, and also next one we see the example in 3-axis milling. And also we have a multi-channel SolidCAM simulator, a unique function that none of our competitors have, and is very important for complex mill turn and Swiss type machines. Let me review quickly the SolidCAM innovation process in the last 10 years. We had SolidWorks integration, obviously also Inventor integration. We developed HSM and HSS, our 5-axis functionality, the great iMachining, 2D and 3D, and lately, in the last few years, our mill turn and Swiss type solution. Now, our mill turn, SolidCAM is the perfect solution for multi-turret and multi-spindle CNC machine. Also, SolidCAM completely supports Swiss type mill turn machine, including multi-channel synchronization. Let me talk a little more about Swiss type solution, because these Swiss type machines are becoming more and more prevalent at our customers. Parts for Swiss type machines have become more complex, and the machines are also getting more complex. Programming and managing synchronization codes and axis patterns for multiple channel machines is hard. And very important, you need simulation and verification of the toolpath. It's very critical. Many of our customers who get Swiss type machines try in the beginning to do it, to program them with G-code without a CAM system. But actually, a Swiss type programmer by G-code is not efficient at all, and also very difficult to find such a person. Using SolidCAM Swiss type module, the programmer works significantly faster and becomes much more productive. SolidCAM supports all the functions of Swiss type machines, including virtual machine ID, machine control operation, machine preview, channel synchronization, machine simulation, and patterns. Okay, now I'm talking to you SolidCAM resellers and staff. To be number one in Swiss support, you need to either hire a Swiss CNC expert or let your technical people join the advanced Milton, kinematics, and Swiss type post. That this is training that we are giving worldwide. We have given it already to about 50 of our technical staff at our resellers, and I recommend all our resellers to make sure their technical people go to this training. It's a specialized training. It's called task-based training, based on giving tasks with videos, and the answers are also given again through a video. Very easy way to take in parallel to your regular work. When you find prospects that have Swiss CNCs, this could be completely new customers who don't have SolidCAM, or a customer that has SolidCAM only for milling and turning and doesn't have the solution for Swiss type. So you can use post-processor from our database, or you have to customize some existing posts and you have to train them on this solution. This is an example of a customer success, Bioline Implants. They are producing dental implants. They were a SolidCAM customer for a long time, but for Swiss type, they were using another program. They were using first GipsCAM and then Esprit, but they were not happy with both of them. Now they got SolidCAM Swiss type solution. They are very, very happy, and they are doing many new pieces every week with SolidCAM Swiss type solution. I mentioned that we have a database of many Swiss type post-processors. We support all major brands, including Star, Citizen, Tsugami, Nexterm, Index, Hanwha, and others. Another important new feature in SolidCAM 2021 is our Turbo HSR HSM. It has 64-bit calculation and multi-core support, so the speed of calculation increases as the number of cores increase, and also it has much faster recalculation. Also, we have added many new features to our SolidCAM simultaneous 5-axis offering, including edge braking, edge trimming, and auto 3+2 roughing.
You know, Emil, you have been talking about the advantages of SolidCAM over Mastercam. And we all recently heard about the acquisition of Mastercam by Sandvik. What is your opinion on that?
Actually and truly, I saw it coming. Mastercam have been sleeping on the wheel on the last couple of years regarding their R&D development, and they were worried about their future. You see what happened in the last 10 years, many CAM companies have been acquired by bigger conglomerates. Now, what happens when a small CAM company is acquired by a bigger conglomerate? Many times they lose some of their key staff who cannot manage in the new environment. Also, they become less focused on their customer requests as opposed to their conglomerate financing issues. So, for example, Hexagon has acquired 10 CAM products. Now they have a major problem. Which of these products they are going to develop further and support well? Well, they have to choose. So those products they choose not to develop further, they got frozen and they wither away. And this is a bigger problem for customers who have these products. An interesting question you could ask, why did Hexagon acquire 10 CAM products? There is no logical answer to this question. They did a major miscalculation. So, SolidCAM is different from all these disappearing companies, including the latest one, Mastercam. SolidCAM is a strong, independent, customer-focused, complete CAM system seamlessly integrated in SolidWorks and Inventor. With our powerful customer-centric R&D, we keep supporting our CNC customers up to the most complex Milters and Swiss CNCs. While all the other CAM systems have sold out, SolidCAM won't compromise our mission to provide the best CAM products and service on the planet to our customers. For any customer buying a new CAM system today or replacing current CAM, SolidCAM offers the most advanced, stable, easy to use and to learn, and best well-supported CAM solution. SolidCAM today is the master and future of CAM.
So we really do have a great advantage now over other CAM companies. Can you give us a sneak peek into the projects that SolidCAM is working on today? I see that our R&D and product management are working around the clock, and we have expanded our software programming team worldwide. Sounds like SolidCAM is coming with something new every few months. Everyone in SolidCAM is fired up.
Yes, definitely. We have many new projects that we are developing this year and next year. I will give a short overview of these major new projects. First, we are developing the next phases of advanced mill turn and switch type solutions. We are the best in this area, and we want to stay far away from all our competitors. Another important development is our new CAM project. As opposed to the CAM part that you know till today, CAM project will be able to handle multi-CAM parts on multi-CNC machines, and will support of multi-CNC machines single CAM part process, and will also support of multi-CAM parts on the same machine or on several machines. Another major project is eye turning. You know that eye machining provides the best revolutionary technologies for milling. So we have been working now for some time, and we are developing our revolutionary turning toolpath and wizard. So by having both eye machining for milling and eye turning for turning, for mill turn machines, we will get the double benefit of both these technologies in reducing cycle time, increasing tool life. For requests from our resellers and customers, we are adding SolidCAM nesting in CAM part setup. Next, we know we have integrated SIMCO Edit Professional in our current versions. SIMCO is developing NC-based machine simulation. We are doing beta testing of this product. It will be available in a couple of months. Next come two very innovative products that we are developing. First, Solid CNC. This is an interactive, cloud-based marketplace for CNC machine shop jobs. All our SolidCAM customers who are on subscription and with eye machining can put their data about their machine shop and their machines and the type of work they do on this Solid CNC marketplace. And people looking for companies to give their machining jobs to could find them there and make the contact with them to give the work to them. Very useful. The next innovative product is Solid Shop. It's a computer vision-based real-time monitoring of CNC operations. It finds the actual real time of all the operations and compare it with the simulation time of SolidCAM to be able in the future to forecast what will be the real time based on the simulation time.
Wow, you have really found a way to enhance our customers' businesses. Okay, so let me re-emphasize a few points here. For a SolidCAM customer to be able to join the Solid CNC marketplace, he must be on valid subscription and have eye machining. This will guarantee that the job givers will get the best offer. As I understand, we will do extensive marketing for the Solid CNC web marketplace to achieve maximum exposure to CNC job givers.
Most definitely. It's so important for us that all our customers get our latest version and get eye machining. So we are giving this additional benefit to those customers who do have our latest version and have also eye machining. So what we are doing now is a campaign that we started in Q3 and continuing in Q4 2021 till the end of the year to make it attractive to customers not on subscription to come back on subscription. So for this campaign, there will be no reinstallation fee for SolidCAM. A customer who renews his subscription get shop floor, our new shop floor simulator seat for free. Also, he will get our SIMCO Edit Professional for free. And in addition, if he decides to upgrade to new models for an existing license, he will get 15% off on these additional modules. Really an attractive campaign. Make sure to use it to get to our latest version and you will enjoy it. Next, it's very important for us, obviously, also that every customer of SolidCAM have our great iMachining 2D and 3D modules. So for this campaign promo for Q4 till the end of the year, you can buy iMachining 2D and 3D at half price. And if this offer is not attractive enough even to make you buy iMachining 2D and 3D, you could evaluate iMachining 2D and 3D for 1 year only for the price of subscription. Obviously, at the end of the year, you must purchase.
Listen, after hearing the new SolidCAM highlights, enhancements, and promos, I am sure that no customer, potential customer, or reseller will miss this summit. So what is the agenda of this Q4 summit?
Well, okay, finally, we are coming to the famous agenda. It will be on October 7th. I will be giving a keynote speech where I will give, again, an overview of SolidCAM 2021. I will talk much more about our new version for iMachining for NX, which I think every NX customer in the world should get it to reduce his cycle time and also to save his tool costs. Also, I will give a sneak peek of SolidCAM 2022 and our Solid CNC marketplace. In the version we are releasing these days, SolidCAM 2021 SP3, we have 3 new functionalities. First, a new automatic hole recognition and machining powerful feature. We are releasing our multi-channel simulation, and we are releasing our enhanced toroidal turning toolpath with variable feed for round insert. Next, Daniel Durica of our Serbia team will give a lecture on advanced toolkit use in Miltern and Swiss solutions. Then Anthony Calderon, our CTO of SolidCAM US, will tell us again more information about the amazing secrets of iMachining 2D and 3D. Next, Michael Ledisky, our COO of SolidCAM GmbH Technical, will be talking about SolidCAM GmbH partnering with machine tools and cutting tools manufacturers. Then Amod Onkar will give us a presentation of the complete process for mold and die makers, starting with SolidWorks, then with RMB add-ons, MoldWorks, SplitWorks, and HexWorks, and finalizing with the great machining of SolidCAM. The last 2 lectures will be about SolidCAM 2022. First, Lucas will talk about our new post-processor wizard that saves a ton in developing post-processors, and Sydney Einsler will talk about our associative coordinate system.
Fascinating. Okay, then let's talk about some administrative details. The registration will start on September 6th, and everybody can register on the website. Staff, resellers, customers, and prospects. The presentations will be live on Facebook and on our website. Attendees will be able to ask questions during the summit through the chat channels. The presentations will be live on Facebook and on our website. And last but not least, make sure you always visit the SolidCAM forum for the latest and most up-to-date SolidCAM info. The forum is actually our SolidCAM online newspaper, updated daily. You have marketing, sales, and technical up-to-date information on every subject related to SolidCAM. For example, you can read the latest Modern Machine Shop article posted there, explaining SolidCAM's great advantages for programming of multitasking and Swiss CNC machines. Okay, I guess that sums it up for now. Stay tuned for any more updates, and don't forget to register and save the October 7th date in your Outlook. We promise you a fascinating Q4 summit.
One more comment. We will be giving a lottery of 3 Microsoft Surface Pro notebooks to people who attend. So make sure to register and attend the event, and you might win a very nice Surface Pro computer.
Wow, can I also register for that?
No need, because you already have one.
True, and it does make my work much easier. So that's it today, folks. Stay tuned for more updates on the summit, and we'll see you then. Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.